Welcome back guys, and today we are trying this viral Reddit question which I found in Reddit, and in the comment section people were arguing and discussing various methods to solve this question, and a couple of them were right and some were quite actually not right and were wrong, but I am here to help you. So first of all, pause the video and try to solve it. 3, 2, 1. Have you done the question? Oh, you are a genius. But if you couldn't, don't worry, because I am here, Mr. Pi, trying to help every person to learn maths. So let's see what the question is telling us. So we have a three-digit number ABC, and we have to prove that AB into BC, which is a two-digit number, the product of this two-digit number is equal to the three-digit number into the second digit plus 10 into AC. So any three-digit number, let's assume XY. So this two-digit number, the place value of Y is ones and the place value of X is tens. So we can write it X 10X plus Y. So the example, for example, 21, which is we can write it as 10 into 2 plus 1, which is 21, and this is the same format is as the question. So now let's begin with some easy steps. So let's first prove left hand side. So AB we can write from the previous step as 10A plus B, and we'll multiply it by 10B plus C. Now we will use simple algebra to multiply that. So 10A into 10B is 100AB plus 10A into 10C 10AC plus 10B into B 10B square plus B into C BC. So this is the first step. Now we will prove the right hand side. So we have ABC into B. So what is ABC? As the tens place we will multiply by 10, for the 100 place we will multiply by 100. So we will get 100 A plus 10B plus C into B, and we'll add 10 AC. Okay, so this is the answer. Now 100A into B, 100 AB plus 10B square plus BC, which is equals to BC plus 10 AC. So we'll arrange it according to the LHS. 100 AB plus 10 AC plus 10B square plus BC, and hence we can see that both the identities are equal, and hence we can prove this question. Now let's assume and solve it using some values. For example, let's take A to be 5, B to be 4, and C to be 8. So we have a digit 548. Now AB into BC, so AB into BC will be AB 54 into BC is 48. So 54 into 48, I'll use the calculator. 54 into 48 is equal to 2592. And now ABC into B, ABC which is 548 ABC into B 4 plus 10 AC, 10 into A 5 into 8. So we will add this 548 into 4 plus 10 into 5 into 8, we will get 2592. So you can see that whatever the number is, we can prove this question very easily. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries below, please comment down, and for any other math videos, I have put the video link in the description and in the end screen, so don't forget to click on that, and don't forget to check the homepage. Thank you.